So hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So in the last video we did was I think let me just show you. Mm, so this was let me just yeah, this was our last video and in that I think we did till WAF woof like web application firewall detection. Then I think let me just check. I didn't remember it. Yeah, we did the harvester, I think. Okay, yeah. So after that, I think yeah, I remember it. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to do subdomain enumeration on our program. So let me just do open it and up.com.au. Okay, let me just disable burp first. Yeah, this is our program and okay, yeah. Where here here we are. So we are going to do subdomain enumeration. So for that, what do we need? We need some tools that are, let's say, you can say sublister, subfinder, and all that. So first of all, we have, I think, sublister. Yeah, this is the sublister. But first of all, let's just download subfinder and subfinder. So it is a Go based tool. So we can just copy the link and paste it here and let's see. Okay, wait. I think the path. Yeah. So let it download and let's see what we can do it from. So it's downloading. We can also do like let's say we can go to a website that is I think tools dot who is xml api and .com and then it was I think reverse who is something like that. Okay, I need to log into that. So let me just open it on my Chrome. Let me just delete it. Tools who is xml api.com. So this is a tool on which we can yeah, so here it is. Access is restricted. So reverse who is tool. So we are going to search like up.com.au and then let's search. Okay, we don't have any credits, no problem. So we can just go on to some other website. Other one is Crunchbase. You can find information about your target. Okay, so you just go and search for the company that is up.com.au. Yeah, this is the website up banking and you can find much more information about the website like he's the co-founder, he's the CEO and we can just search about them and we can also find like their email addresses and all if we need. Let's just search if he is okay. So he's the co-founder of this up.com. We can just find like if he has any LinkedIn or something. So let's see. Okay, no LinkedIn. Like if you find anything about this, the co-founder, you can get many other information. So you got one email also. So what we are going to do is let's just do cd and your test, and here info, let's paste it, and it's an email address. Like we can find it somewhere else also, but I need to save it. Okay, yeah, we saved it. And now let's see what does this have. Headcount, employee profiles, to contacts. Okay, let's just check if we found anything about this. Like you can read about it and get some information about our, okay, up banking. Yeah, let's see if we are able to do protected content. Okay, it's showing. Yeah, we can find it somewhere else also. Okay, so no problem, we did Crunchbase. You can also do like ASN numbers and all that. I think you may be knowing about it. We did all of these in our previous videos. If you need, you can just check them out. Okay, you can just go to like a website that is bgp dot, I don't remember it, bgp dot he.net, I think. Yeah, this one. So you can just find up.com.au, and you can get its ASN numbers, and from those ASN numbers you can just find like it's, what we call it, wait, yeah, these are all the ASN numbers, and we can find the company subdomains if we need, using emas and all that. So you can also find its IP addresses if possible. So you can watch our previous videos for that. So let's just do sub finder. Okay, I hope so. Let's just run it like that. I'll just make it. Okay, so sub finder. So for sub finder you can just like have some of these API keys. I think you may be knowing about them. So you can just copy all the API keys and paste them. I'll be doing it. So first of all, let's just run it like dash d and up.com.au and dash all. Let's just see how many do we got. So O for output, and let's just save the output into test and subdomains and up.co.au, this one, and let's see how many subdomains does it find. Till then let it run, so we can just go on to the other one. Yeah, so it has only found 22 subdomains. So let us just do, you can just copy your config files like this, and this is the config. You can just go on to there and cat, you have to just paste it like that. So I can do it. Let's just try. I may be having something. I'll just blur it. Mm, I don't remember. Like, where is it? Okay, so let me just do it. And yeah, so now let's just run it again and let's see how many subdomains do we find right now. We have found now like 30 subdomains instead of 22. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give a like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe it. So let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.
Hacking, bug bounty, earnings.